Deep in the countryside, hidden among nature, a traditional fruit snack is being made completely by hand. From fresh wild fruits to a sweet and chewy delicacy, this process takes patience, skill, and time. Collecting and washing fruits. These small golden and green fruits are freshly harvested and carefully selected by hand. Only the best fruits are chosen for the process. After collection, they are washed thoroughly to remove dirt and impurities. Freshness is the secret behind the rich flavor. Peeling and preparing. Once cleaned, the fruits are gently peeled one by one. Inside is a soft and juicy texture filled with natural sweetness. Traditional preparation methods help preserve the original taste of the fruit. Traditional cooking process. Now the real transformation begins. The prepared fruits are cooked slowly using traditional techniques. Heat, timing, and patience are carefully balanced to create the perfect texture. As the mixture cooks, the natural sugars begin to thicken and develop a rich golden color. Making the fruit paste. After hours of cooking, the fruit turns into a smooth and sticky paste. The aroma becomes stronger, sweeter, and more delicious. This handmade process has been passed down through generations. Shaping and drying. The thick fruit paste is spread evenly and carefully shaped into long strips. Every cut is done by hand with precision and care. The texture becomes chewy, soft, and perfect for snacking. Final packaging. Once dried and cooled, the fruit slices are packed into jars for storage. No fancy machines, no shortcuts, just pure traditional craftsmanship and natural ingredients. This is more than just food. It's culture, tradition, and hard work preserved in every bite. Would you try this handmade fruit snack? Viral outro line. Don't forget to like,